Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make text tracking in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. In addition, you should add a second row with an X to help you center your text for the object that you want the text to follow. Adjust its duration by dragging the edge, and make sure it is as long as the video that you want the text to be seen in. Open the effect controls by selecting it from the panel. Select the text layer and go to the position setting. Add the first keyframe by clicking it. Move the text to align it with your object. Move the timeline forward to the end and align your text with the object. Depending on how fast the video and the moving object are, you might need to align it between the start and the end. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text smoothly following the path you created. Now you know how to make text tracking in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.